Please, can you?
Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
You know what? I want you to close your eyes. I have a surprise for you.
I should close my eyes.
Yes, I have a surprise for you. Just close your. You are safe.
Am I safe?
Yes, just close your eyes. Turn your back. Face this place. You are safe, okay? Don't open your eyes till I say so, okay?
Okay, sir. Should I open my eyes?
You just hold on, okay? I will tell you when to do that.
So I hope I'm safe.
You are safe. You are safe, okay?
Should I open it?
Just hold on.